Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Shopify to Etsy using LitCommerce. Let's start with step 1. Connect Shopify to Etsy. Now let's start connecting Shopify to LitCommerce. From your Shopify admin, search for LitCommerce on the search bar. Then, you will be redirected to the LitCommerce on the Shopify App Store. Next, click Install, then press Install. And your Shopify store will then run as a main store on LitCommerce. Now, let's connect Etsy as your sales channel. Navigate to Etsy and click Connect. After that, add your channel name and click Connect your account. And let LitCommerce access your store data. Once finished, you have successfully connected Shopify with Etsy. After successfully connecting Shopify with Etsy, all your Shopify products will be automatically imported to the LitCommerce dashboard. Now, let's move to step 2, list and import products on Etsy. First case, you haven't sold on Etsy yet. Now you want to list products on Etsy. Navigate to the All Product tab on the left sidebar and select the products you want to list on Etsy. Click Select Action, then choose List Products on Channel. Next, select Etsy and click Add a Draft Now. From now on, your Etsy draft listings will be separated from your Shopify store. You can edit these draft listings before publishing them on the Etsy site. Navigate to the Etsy sales channel on the left sidebar, then click on the listing for which you want to make changes. LitCommerce users can choose either single or multi-edit mode to edit and fill in the required information. Now you're in the single editing mode. Click Multi-Edit Mode in the top right corner to activate Multi-Edit Mode, where you can edit all listings on the spreadsheet interface. Besides, LitCommerce also offers a unique template and recipe feature for easy listing management. You can create templates or recipes to edit and apply changes across multiple listings quickly. You can watch a video about template and recipe tagged on the right corner to understand how to create and apply them for better listing management. After editing draft listings to publish products to Etsy, you will have 2 options. Publish live to Etsy by clicking Select Action button, then choose Publish to Etsy, or publish the draft to Etsy by choosing Save App Publish to Etsy. Now, if you're selling on Etsy and want to import your listings to Shopify, here's the guide. On the left sidebar, navigate to Etsy, click on Import from Etsy. Before the import starts, you will be asked a few more questions. All you have to do is select if you want to re-import your Etsy listings, link products, or apply any particular filters. When it's all done, choose a Begin Import. Once the import is completed, you can see all Etsy listings are now imported to the LitCommerce. Choose the product you want to list. Click on Select Action, then Create on Shopify. That's how you import products from Etsy. By doing that, LitCommerce will update listings from Etsy and list them on Shopify, making data the same in both places. Let's discover case 3. Link listings on both Etsy and Shopify. If you have the same products on Shopify and Etsy, you must link them to Easy Listing Management and Shopify Etsy Sync. When you import Etsy listings, we have the option to auto-link listings, which you can select, and from there, the listings between Etsy and Shopify will be linked based on matching SKU. However, sometimes SKUs may not match. Here's how to manually link products across channels. A blue dot means the products are linked, while a red dot indicates they are not. To match the unlinked product, hover over the red dot and click Link to a product. LitCommerce will help you find matching items. If not, enter the SKU of the product you want to connect to. Just look for products that match, then click Select. As soon as your product link is complete, you can see that the red icon has been changed to blue and get a notification from LitCommerce. Now let's move to the step 3. Set up Shopify Etsy Sync. This feature simplifies this whole multi-channel selling process. First, choose Etsy to get in the main dashboard. Click Channel Settings at the top right corner. To turn on Price Sync, switch the Price Sync button. Click Confirm, and LitCommerce will help you sync prices on this Etsy shop with the prices on your Shopify store. If you turn on the Use Sale Price options, LitCommerce will use Compare at Price if available for price synchronization by default. Plus, if your Shopify store uses a different currency than your Etsy shop, enable currency conversion to automatically convert prices. Moreover, you can also use price rules to increase or decrease the price of all synced listings on your Etsy shop. After setting Price Sync, let's scroll down to the Inventory section. Then click on the switch next to Inventory Sync. LitCommerce will automatically update the inventory Quantity on your Etsy sale channels. Shop to match the quantity in your Shopify. An important note is that this may cause your listings to be inactive if your products have no available inventory. To continue, check the box and click Confirm. Next, enable Keep Listing Active to ensure your listing remains active on Etsy when the product is in archived or draft status on Shopify. Besides, you can automatically adjust the quantities by entering the percentage of the stock that you want to use from the Shopify in the Etsy shop. Activate minimum quantity, maximize quantity to set up the quantity to be displayed on the Etsy shop separate from the actual stock in the Shopify. Now let's manage your orders by scrolling down to the Orders section. To enable import orders to Shopify, switch import orders to the main store. You can now supervise and fulfill your order flow from both channels on your Shopify store order page. Please note that this feature requires enabling price and inventory sync first. Besides, here are some important notes for you when importing orders from Etsy. Etsy has restricted third-party apps from importing certain order details for new integrations in the US, Canada, and Turkey. You can read more details in the link in the description below. Additionally, there are some other settings for further streamlining your Etsy and Shopify integration, such as description sync, title sync. After all settings, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to save the modifications you've made. That's how to integrate Shopify to Etsy using LitCommerce. If you have any questions, leave your question in a comment below or contact our support team. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.